Oh, sorry. Um, I'm sorry, I'm just reading the books that I can read. No, I'm not singing one. I don't know what to say. I'm singing. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, the time I guess. Good time. Okay. Oh yeah. You probably don't hear the music right after that. It's always a good time. Whoa, it's always a good time. Woke up on the side of the bed. It's gone, put the strings on inside my head. Hands up, it goes down, keep it down tonight. Cause it's always a good time. Step in on my clothes, I got feeling too. Tension in the cab, turning on the wall. Something at the time, she could tell me. Cause it's always a good night. When it gets dark, it's gonna be alright. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time. It's always a good time. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time. It's always a good time. Shut my phone in the pool again. Check out in the room at the ATM. Check out if you're down to get down tonight. Cause it's always a good time. To remember night. And if it's twilight, it's gonna be alright. We don't even have to try. There's a good time. I'm stopping there because I want to okay. Dancing, my friend said that gay, and he does kind of. And usually Carly doesn't sing the right. He just sings it low. So my friend said bad like that. Like we should both have both parts in the same, like half and half, so they even not like who sings more. That's what I think. Cause like the guys are more. My friend thinks he's gay and no. Bye.